In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to bluebeam.com and you should be able to see this. So you can sign up by clicking onto this Get Started or by clicking on this Try It Free, or you can also have the option to buy the particular software. Once you have an account, proceed to click on this Login option and choose how you want to log in directly. So I've already downloaded the Bluebeam app and here it is right there. I have in here this file that I have opened. So to add page number, you just need to use the thumbnails panel. So if you can actually do so by going into this part. So to do it, click on the thumbnails icon, which is the four squares to the left. Here it is right here. Once you have clicked on it, you can see right here this one. Now for this case, you just need to click on the first page and then shift click to the last of the last page to select the range. Then right click on the selection, and then after that, we just need to head over and choose the number pages option. Here we have this. Click on this right here. It doesn't have any shortcut, so you need to do this manually. Choose right here the style that you want to apply. We have 1, 2, 3, as well as Roman numerals and ABC. I'll just choose 1 to 3 right here. Choose right here the prefix and choose where to start. Now click on OK. And after that, a number shall be added directly into this case. So once it's added, it should be able to appear right there once you have enabled it. And in here, this will apply the sequential number as page numbers directly into this page as well. So if you have a lot of pages, you can actually add page numbers to it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.